Hey, what's up everyone? It's Ben from ProFixerr, and we're super excited to be able to launch a product here really soon that is going to make it even easier for you to put video media marketing into your stores. Up until now, here at ProFixerr, we've been offering stock images that we actually take here in our own store, edit, and we provide those for our ProFixerr members that are part of our ProFixerr plans. And we've seen some really great success with those. Repair shops have been able to increase the quality of their brand, of the appearance that they have online, and just their business cards, really anything that has to do with their brand, because we don't brand those ourselves. We leave all of our images so that you can put your own logo, put your own tweaks on them, and really make them your own and use them as your own. And so we've done that with images, and we want to do that with video for you to be able to put in your store, and we're going to do that by way of ProFixerr Vision. ProFixerr Vision is a way that you can have relevant content. Instead of being in photo form like we provided before, we'll be providing it in video form. And so you'll be selling certain products and cases and accessories in your stores, and we'll have videos prepared that you can have right alongside those products. We've actually trial ran this with Cell Helmet. We carry a lot of their products as far as accessories, including their charge cables, their mounts, their tempered glass, and their liquid glass. And we run their videos in a loop, and we've seen just the sales increase that we've put alongside a solid sales pitch, a solid video. And so that's actually what's running behind me right now. The best part about this is it's super hands-off for you as a user of ProFixerr Vision, because you don't have to worry about trying to plug in a Fire Stick or whatever it may be that you're trying to use to get video into your store, and trying to upload a video, trying to make sure that it runs current, try to make sure that it actually loops, does whatever it needs to do. We take care of all of that for you. So we provide all these videos, and they're all wireless, so they actually stream, download, and then play. And they can even be played offline, so you can take these things to trade shows where you may not have internet, load it all before, and then be having that run on a loop once you're there without an internet connection, which is really cool. Once you connect back up to an internet connection, it will then download any relevant content that may be new and be able to have that streaming on your TV. Alongside each and every one of the videos that we'll be providing, we'll have a solid sales pitch in digital form, so you can have that and your sales staff can review it and use that to reinforce the key points that are being expressed in each one of the videos. And we've seen that alongside a good sales pitch, the good video converts and sells a whole lot more. And so we're super excited to bring this to all of the repair shops out there. We want y'all to be first to know about ProFixerr Vision. So if you're there already, or if you're not, go to profixerr.com/vision. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Notify Me of Launch and fill out the info, and we'll make sure that we keep you first to know as far as whenever we fully launch this and have it all ready for you to implement into your stores. But we're really excited about this, and we're really excited to push ProFixerr Vision alongside ProFixerr stock. But to get all the updates, go to that profixerr.com. So it's PROFIXERR.com/vision, and fill out the form, and we'll keep you all in touch. But we hope to be seeing you soon.